First, in a food processor, you're going to blend 12 broken Oreos, and then you're going to blend in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now you're going to press your Oreo mixture into a springform pan. Now put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 minutes.
You want to make sure that after 8 minutes you take your crust out right away so that it doesn't burn.
Now in an electric mixer, you're going to whisk together 32 ounces of cream cheese, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now you're going to add 5 eggs, whisking after each addition. Now you're going to take your batter and pour half of it into your crust. Now you're going to sprinkle 2 to 3 handfuls of mini chocolate chips over your batter. Now you're going to take the remainder of your cake batter and spread it over the top of your chocolate chips. Now you're just going to add 2 to 3 more handfuls of mini chocolate chips on the top of your cake. Now wrap the bottom of your cake in 2 layers of foil. Now you're going to put your cake into a roasting pan. When you put your cake in the oven, pour boiling water into the roasting pan. Then bake it at 475 degrees for 12 minutes. Then drop the temperature down to 350 degrees and bake it for 1 hour. When your cake comes out of the oven, the middle temperature should be around 170 or 175 degrees. Now refrigerate your cake overnight before enjoying.